Hi, I manage money for individuals, and I don't know what the stock market is going to do this month or even the next 12 months. There, I said it, it's out there. I know you could say, so what? Of course nobody can predict the future. And that's obviously true. Well, then my question is, why do most people invest like they can? I've talked to thousands of investors over the years, and even when they admit they can't predict, many times their gains are pursued under the illusion of certainty. Don't we see something in a pattern or a trend or a process that we've discovered and we just know it's going to work? And if we have tons of back-tested data, then that just pumps our adrenaline even more. And furthermore, having immediate success with something just hardens our beliefs, and then they quickly become a perpetual truth. Quit the self-delusion. Brains and foresight will never be all you need to successfully invest. Quit reaching for certitude. It does not exist, at least not in anything that can produce a meaningful return. You will never have enough evidence that will lead you to complete certainty. So what do? Well, you or somebody that manages your money better have a sound process. It's about figuring out a way to put yourself in the best possible position where you have the best chance of a positive outcome, not the certainty of one. And those times when you experience pain because your actions bumped into reality, make sure you have a probable recovery time that you can live with. Learn more about our process or talk to us today.